girlies? 12, yeah. Started in 2012. February 2012. So it was inaugurated by Brother Willie Lawas. Mahirap, I have no idea how to run this group. All I wanted was for my son to stay with me all the time. Kasi my son would like to join Youth for Christ. So I says, Lala Youth Park, you know. It's not really he wanted to join, but he's making like paalam already. And I know time will come, I cannot control him anymore. And I can see he's got a group of friends in Newcastle. And they got a very good relationship. And then every time we do cell group presentations, I see they were young members. So it has somehow inspired me to make a proposal to London Mother Chapter. And with their help, we were able to make this little group come true. Maraming salamat, and they gave me the chance to do this, even though I really don't have any idea. But they had passed this on to me, if I'm willing to do it, and I said, yes. But in my head, I wish I could try it and make it better. Natatakot, I'm scared to do it, you know, because as I said, I don't have any idea. So I've been Googling, So I've been doing a lot of Googling and talking to Milan and to Paris and Spain, asking what their project was. So they gave me the line-up, they gave me the mission and vision, and then make it like, like the same as the others. So we will be recognized as a one whole group with one mission and vision. So after that, the group has come into a good perfection, almost near perfection, because they were really like a fantastic group to be with these young ones. And I am very, very much happy to be involved with these young youths. You never know how much great ideas these guys got. Really amazing. Things that I cannot think. So they are always like, as what Emmanuel says, if is this the norm, you've got to be above the norm. So it was really good. It was really good. Talagang natutuwa ako sa kanila. There were times that I would like to give up. I mean, syempre may mga panahon na we got a little bit, spiritually we're a little bit down. And I'm not lying guys, I wanted to give you up. But then every time I think of that, and every time I see you all together, that tiny little moment of doubt in myself, I got inspired a zillion times to stay. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. I mean, you were my strength. I got only one son, but I got many, many children now. Maraming salamat sa inyo na. I love you guys. I love you. I love you.